a single parent, a single mother siya, she was able to provide everything because wala akong papa. And as a daughter na ha? Bitaw, I prefer to be called as a female she a pronoun because I live as a trans woman. And I will grab this opportunity also, this platform, to uplift my LGBT community. This is June Pride. So if I can do, you can do better. So thank you for this platform because Amway will champion the individuality, the diversity, as our speaker is telling us. We are all diverse in this convention center. We have all walks of life, some status, economic status, gender, sexual orientation. No discrimination at all. As long as you believe in yourself, you know your purpose of why you're doing this business, and who is fighting for. So ask yourself, nga naamo diha sa inyong likuranan, ask what is the purpose of doing this business? Because at the end of the day, if we have a goal to attain, dili lang siya pwede pares anang gingon nga drawing rotanan. We must make our vision in reality. And this is the baby steps towards attaining that goal. Kaya lahi man ta goal. So as a trans woman, and my ultimate goal is to make my mom very proud. Because I'm very fun. Swerte kay ko nga naa akong mama beside me. I'm 38 years old. I'm still sleeping with her. Together, then I couldn't imagine a life without her siguro. Because as a part of the LGBT, di ba lisod man kayo cannot have a family. But I'm doing this also for my mom and everyone that I love. Because I will quote and rephrase from Catriona Gray's winning speech. You must conquer yourself because people will doubt you, people will discriminate, and people will left you behind. So we need to believe in ourselves that we can do it. Because if you don't believe in yourself, then no one will believe in you. Conquer others because people will think that you are a failure, you doesn't belong to this community. But conquering that by embracing the support system, which is Amway community. And I'm very thankful for my mentors, my uplines, for embracing me and for embracing our team, being a backbone of where I am today. And lastly, conquering with a purpose, because I am standing in front of you. It's a living testament that if men can do, women can do, we trans women can do better. This is Josa from Lanao del Norte.
Friends, once again, congratulations to our new idol, Elia Tonggon and Josa Sarmiento. Congratulations.
Oh, kanindot, no?
This is for you.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations.
Now, wait, there's more. We will call on our apprentice